female blackbird. Oh! My board fell over. I gotta fix that. Back. Hello again. I just finished watching Skyfall. Row 7. Finally watched it. Down on the big screen downstairs. Yeah. Brilliant film, brilliant. I'll watch it again. There's credits. Oh, there's I'm on about laptops, or this is Dad's laptop. It's more of a desktop really. Ah, there's my channel on the downstairs computer. And logged into Gibran's here. And there's my tripod, mini tripod. The birds are in the car. Let's go out and see the birds. And my kitchen. Open the door. There's our poor bike. Getting a new wheel for her. Yes, folks, I did have an accident there. I didn't say it's 3 weeks ago, yeah. Did have an accident in the bike, collided with another car, but at about 1 mile an hour or so. No problem, I wasn't hurt, no problem. About 2 weeks ago, no hassle. And I'll shut up now and have a look. Let's see. No, didn't touch it yet. Garden looking well now, and the grass is starting to grow. Nice and tidy now, nice and tidy. See for the birds down there when they start nesting. Got some food in there. There's a nesting box. So we're looking good, everything looking good. There's another little feeder, there's another table so they can feed there, and as you saw earlier, there's a little water in there. So I'm going to have to edit this and put it on YouTube. There's a few shots of the birds, random shots there, handheld. The water bats. Oh, all the footballs are gone. Right, I'm going. Bye.